Hi, I'm Michael Landis with the Wildflower Seed Company. Today I'm going to be showing you our By-Pass Pruner. This pruner is ergonomically designed, has an SK5 steel blade with a Teflon finish on it so the blade will not stick. You'll love this tool. It feels great in your hand. This is a general purpose pruner which everybody needs to have in their collection. Let me show you what it does. Your By-Pass pruner can be used for about any pruning tool in the garden. It makes a very clean, razor-sharp cut. It can be used from roses all the way to harvesting fruit to any flower you may have in your garden. Again, our By-Pass pruner. The By-Pass pruner can be purchased from the Wildflower Seed Company, www.wildflower-seed.com. Thank you and happy gardening.